Hello and welcome back to the Algebra 1 problem series. In this video, we are starting with a ratio problem on a number line. These kinds of problems show up in algebra and geometry, and they're a great way to practice splitting a segment into parts. Let's go ahead and read the problem statement. On a number line, point P is at 2 and point R is at 8. Find the location of point Q so that the ratio PQ to QR equals 1 to 2. We'll start with 2 points, P and R, and figure out where Q should go so that the ratio PQ to QR comes out just right. Let's work it out step by step. On the number line, we're told P is at 2. So I'll mark that here. And R is at 8. So R is right here. So I've marked those 2 points. Now, how far apart are they? From 2 to 8 is how many points or how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 units. 5, 6 units. They're 6 units apart. Sorry about that. So I'll just go ahead and mark 6 units here. Okay, the ratio is 1 to 2. That means the segment PR should split into 3 equal parts. That's telling us 1 part for PQ and 2 parts for QR. And let's go ahead and do that actually. Let's split this up. So we know that it's a total of 6 units and we have to split them into 3 equal parts. What does that tell us? That means that we have to mark, let's see, every 2 units. So we have from 2 to 4, that's 2 units. So I'll mark that right here. And then from 4 to 6. Now they're split into 3 equal parts. And the reason why I say that is because since PR is 6 units long, each part is 6 divided by 3. So let's go ahead and mark that down. 6 divided by 3. And we know 6 divided by 3 equals 2. PQ is just 1 part. So I'm going to mark Q right here. PQ is just 1 part. So I move 2 units from P, right? That's what I've done right here. 1, 2. And that puts Q at 4. I'm going to circle 4. It puts Q right at 4. So the final answer here is, since the point Q is at 4, that is the correct answer. And let me explain another reason why. Because I want you to notice PQ, right, again, is 2 units long. But QR, if you take a look here at QR, it is how many units long? 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's exactly a 1 to 2 ratio. That's how you solve a ratio problem on a number line. You start with the total distance, divide it into equal parts, and then you count the parts to find your missing point. In the next problem, we'll move into a ratio word problem, so stick around and keep practicing with me.